Greetings to you, my amazing YouTube family. Let me hope that everybody is doing well. Trust that you're healthy, you're staying safe. Now, it has been a while since I've posted a video on the channel due to the fact that I was extremely busy. Not too busy for you, just busy with other stuff, work and so on. But I am back. I'm back to share another amazing video with you today. Now, if you're new to this channel, if this is your first time, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. I want you to become a part of the MD family. All right? Turn on your post notification bell and also leave a like on the video and share it with your family and your friends. That's all the requirements. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support throughout this journey. I really appreciate you. Now today I have another amazing recipe for you. I'm going to show you how to make the coconut drops. All right, the coconut drops. So stay with me, walk with me through the process and let me know what you think. All right, I would love to hear from you what you think about these videos that I am posting. All right, so let's get into it. So here are the simple ingredients that we're going to be using today. So I have a coconut, not yet broken, vanilla, brown sugar, I have ginger, nutmeg, and a cinnamon stick. So these are the basic ingredients that I will be using. So I just want you to stay tuned. I want you to watch me, what I'm doing, follow me through the process. First, we want to prepare our coconut. All right, and we're not going to throw away the water. We're just going to strain it off and let it chill a bit. So this is the difficult part of it. What you want to do is to take a knife and to remove it from the shell. Now this part now you have to be both careful and skillful. Right, just like that. I want to carefully remove it. Just take your time, exercise patience, all right? So now that we've removed it from the shell, just want to give it a nice rinse, just to get rid of the impurities, all right? So now we're on to the next step, and this is now where we're going to cut the coconut into small pieces. And I'm doing it the old-fashioned way, all right? You don't want to cut them too big, and you don't want to cut them too small, all right? So just like this, bite-sized pieces, all right? Always remember to be careful when you're working with knives. Now, I remember when I used to go to all-age school back then. Yeah, we couldn't wait for break time or recess. There used to be some ladies who sell at the school gate. You just go out, you buy your drops, and you know, you just take your time and pinch it. Yes. And this would be our snack. Right, so just like that. Have them cut up in small pieces, all right? You can always scan through to make sure that everything is all cut up. Sometimes you have a few pieces that might have their little own way and try to hide. So you just want to go through and make sure that you capture everything. So next what we're going to do is to grate the ginger. Alright, so we just lightly remove the outer skin and just grate it. Now the ginger will give it a nice flavor. If you notice, I'm doing everything the old-fashioned way. Of course, you could always blend it, but just showing you the old-fashioned way. I have my grated ginger, about 1.5 tablespoons. And then I'm going to add the nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and then I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt. All right, so that's what I'm going to do for now. All right, so it's time for the cooking. So I take out my big Dutch pot. This is best for it. And inside the Dutch pot I have 2.5 cups of water. And then I'm just going to pour everything in it and let it boil. I'm also going to add my cinnamon stick. Just gonna let this boil so that the coconut can absorb all the nice flavor. The ginger, the cinnamon, the nutmeg. All right, so you just stay tuned and I'll check back in with you. All right guys, so we are about 10 minutes in the cooking process. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to remove the cinnamon stick. Next, we're going to add the sugar. I'm going to add about 2 cups of sugar. After which, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And just let everything come to a boil. And we want to see the sugar started thickening up. So we'll just let this boil until we start seeing a nice texture, syrup-like. All right, so stay tuned. All right, let's check in to see where we are in the process. All right, so we still need a few more minutes because we don't want it too runny, and neither do we want it too dry. Alright, so we have to make sure that we get at the right consistency. Alright, so I'll just let it boil a few more minutes. The smell is nice. You can smell the aroma in the kitchen. So guys, as you can see, we're almost there. Nice. Okay guys, so we are now ready for the drop, and we want to drop it while it's hot. And I'm using aluminum foil here. If I was back home, then we would use the banana leaf. We would go outside, get a piece of banana leaf and drop it on it. But not living in my country, you can't do it the authentic Jamaican way. Alright? And while I'm dropping this, I'm sure that there are other countries who make something like this. If you're not from Jamaica, could you tell me what you call this in your country? Just drop it in the comment section and let me know what you call it in your country. So we're just dropping them, and then we leave it to be completely cool. And let me know if you have ever made this for your children. Because I find that, especially in the diaspora, our culture is eroding. All right. So I'll just let these cool and I will check back in with you. So guys, our coconut drops have been cooling for about 10 minutes or so. So we just want to check to make sure that they are properly set. So let's see. See? Nice. Right, so that's basically how we want to see them. Awesome. So guys, we have come to the end of another amazing video, a full demonstration how to make coconut drops. So let me know what you think. Leave a comment in the comment section. If you've reached this far in the video and you have not yet subscribed, I am encouraging you to do so. Please hit the subscribe button, like, and share. Here's what I need you to do. Could you send this video to 10 of your friends? 10 people in your contact. And ask those 10 people to subscribe to the channel. I would greatly appreciate that. Can you do that for me? Can I count on you? Thank you. All right. So, thank you again. May God bless you. Be safe. Stay blessed. And I will see you in the next video. Coconut drops, Jamaican style. All right. Again, if you're not from Jamaica and you made these in your country, I need to know what you call it. All right. So leave that in the comment section. Let me know where you're watching from and tell me what you call this in your country. All right? We learn from each other. God bless you.